Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you're also welcome to the family. My name is Blessing A Kato and I'm back with another interesting video. So guys, today we're going to be recreating a makeup look by DAMIMA. If you watch Best Friends in the World, she plays the role Olive Lane. So I'm going to be recreating a look. As you all can see, I've done my hair off camera and I'm going for a simple neutral makeup look. So if you are interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply foundation and I'm using the Mary Kay foundation in the shade bronze 708 and 607, and I'm also using a damp beauty blender to apply the foundation. So guys, I already went ahead to make my hair off camera. Literally, I actually did a tutorial for you guys, but I didn't know my camera was not recording, which was not nice. You get. So if you want a detailed tutorial on how I achieve this bantu knot, then comment down below and I'll do just that. I literally used the Brazilian wool to achieve this look. So comment down below guys and I'll be more than happy to recreate this look over and over again. So guys, look at that flawless finish. So I'm going ahead to apply concealer and I'm using the Pro Conceal in the shade 02. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to contour, and you guys know I love using my blush and my dark foundation to contour, so that's what I'm literally doing. So guys, I'm going ahead to blend it all out with the Zoeva buffer brush. So guys, this is literally another way to contour if you do not have a contour powder palette. So this is what I love doing most times, not most times, literally every time. So this is what I love doing. So I'm going ahead to blend it all out with a beauty blender. I'm going ahead to blend it all out with my beauty blender. If you want a flawless finish, you gotta blend it all out before applying your setting powder. So guys, I'm going in with the black opal finishing powder in the shade 02 light. So guys, I'm not going to bake. I'm literally just setting it directly and blending it all out immediately. So guys, I'm going ahead to draw my brows, and I'm using the Davis brand pencil in the shade 003. Guys, I'm cleaning my brows with the Pro Conceal in the shade 02, the exact same shade I used for my under eyes. Okay guys, remember I'm recreating a simple look. Like what she did, she went for a simple eye look, so that's what I'm literally doing right now. So guys, remember one of my favorite routine, I'm going ahead to use the black pencil to line my eyes. So guys, I'm setting my entire face with my pressed powder. I'm going ahead to line my lips with the Davis brand pencil in the shade 003. So guys, with what we are recreating, she literally went for a nude lipstick, so that's what I'm literally doing right now. You want to apply some clear lip gloss to spice it all up. So guys, this is the complete look. This is the look we just recreated, and I'm so loving it guys. Like look at that, look at how flawless it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. And if you guys want me to do more of recreating videos, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to do that. And guys, I want to say a very big thank you to as many that have joined the family. You are welcome. Okay guys, this is literally all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.